July 6th, and we have tons of green tomatoes, and it looks like we even have our first red tomato right in there. I'll get closer. Lots of tomatoes over here, even in this spot. And the red tomato, the first red tomato of the year, it looks ripe, is over here in that back corner back there. Lots of tomatoes here. Lots over here, even in the, it's pretty shady in this corner here. Lots in there, down there. The red one is over here. There it is, right there. I think I'm gonna pick it today. That's the first one of the year. Looks ripe enough. Probably about 3 ounces. You know what, let's just take a bite, see what it tastes like. Wow. Now that's a good tomato. Oh, it's very meaty. It's not watery at all. Very meaty, almost like a buttery texture in there. There. Wow. Hardly any water. Sure. Wow. That's good. It's like buttery. Oh man. Here's the San Marizano growing on a trellis. Great, but lack of calcium. That's why I added the eggshells last time. Very tall, beautiful plant, but it has blossom rot. This bundle down here is good though. That's going to be a nice bunch. Here's a couple red ones here. They're not quite done yet. These look great. You know, I've been watering with the trenches I made a month ago. It's really easy to water. You just let the hose sit and the trenches fill up. And then this San Marizano has the same problem with the blossom rot. That's from a lack of calcium, but it's too bad. It's such a beautiful looking plant.